कोरोना संकट ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਹਰ ਨਾਗਰਿਕ ਨੂੰ ਵੈਕਸੀਨ ਲੱਗੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਵਚਨਬੱਧ ਹੈ। ਕੇਂਦਰੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਹਰਸ਼ਵਰਧਨ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਜੁਲਾਈ ਤੱਕ 51 ਕਰੋੜ ਡੋਜ਼ ਦਾ ਟੀਚਾ ਹੈ।
Last time we had met on 8th of May and today we are meeting almost after 9 days. The better news or the news which can give us a bit of relief is the fact that today when we are meeting, the difference between the number of new cases that have appeared in the country in the last 24 hours and those who recovered in the last 24 hours is almost 1 lakh. On 8th May, we had just over 4 lakh new cases in the last 24 hours, and at that time, almost in a row for 4 continuous days, we had over 4 lakh cases. Today, on 17th May, in the last 24 hours, we have seen 2,81,386 cases in the country, and similarly last time when we had met on 8th May, the number of recovered cases in the last 24 hours were 3,18,609, and today this number has risen to 3,78,741. Right now, just to keep you updated, today we have 35,16,997 active cases in the country, and for the first time after almost 26 days, we have seen cases less than 3 lakhs. On the vaccine front, if I have to update you, although last week in the regular health ministry press conference, the country has been updated about the latest projections about the vaccine availability which is likely to be there in the coming months. Just to update this group also, and this projection is after having spoken in detail to all the vaccine manufacturers, all those vaccines which are likely to come up on the scene in the next couple of months, and of course after having spoken to the regulator and other relevant stakeholders, a tentative figure has been projected. We started our vaccination on 16th of January when the Prime Minister had launched the campaign for the whole country, and with his blessings and over the last many months with the efforts of the scientists and the support of the government through the Department of Biotechnology, also to the various vaccine manufacturers for supporting research and development of new vaccines. Also, from 16th January till 31st of July, the country would have procured almost 51 crore vaccine doses. This of course includes the vaccines which will be procured through the Government of India side and also through the non-Government of India side. Then for the projection between August and December, after having spoken to almost more than a half a dozen vaccine manufacturers, our projection is that we should be able to have over 2 billion doses, almost like 216 crore doses of vaccines available for the country. And this number may be sufficient to vaccinate almost every adult in the country above 18 years of age. Right now, if I have to give you the latest update about how many doses have already been delivered to the people in India, we have till today morning administered 18 crore 29 lakh 26,460 doses to our people, and we have already delivered 20 crore 15 lakh 46,900 doses to the various states and union territories. And right now, at the moment, with the states is available over 2 crore 4 lakh 96,525 doses, and in the another next 3 days 3 lakh more are in the pipeline. On the testing front, we have already tested over 32 crore 25 lakh 55,816 tests have been done in the country. Last 24 hours, in spite of the fact that last 24 hours was a Sunday, where we have seen over the last 1 year that usually the number of tests, it goes down quite a bit, but still in the last 24 hours we have tested 15,73,515 people in the country through our network of 2,542 labs that we could develop in the last 1 year, starting from one lab. There has been a lot of talk about remdesivir, ventilators, etc. So today I have to inform this esteemed group that by now we have from the Government of India been able to deliver 52.64 lakh vials of remdesivir to the states, 45,066 ventilators to the states, 176.91 lakh PPE kits to the states, and also 422.79 lakh N95 masks to the states. Today I have to also inform this group about a very important development, and this has been a very landmark day, a historic day. Today in the morning, under the leadership of our Defence Minister Shri Rajnath Singh ji, of course guided by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, I had the privilege to join him in the release of a new drug, 2DG, that's 2-deoxy-D-glucose.
ਫਿਲਹਾਲ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਹੀ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੀਆਂ तमाम ਖਬਰਾਂ ਵੇਖਣ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਰਹੋ ABP ਸਾਂਝਾ।